Chism Automation builds assembly equipment primarily for Tier 1 automotive companies. We come up with solutions for our customers to build their products.
So at the base level, we're a machine builder and robotics integrator, mainly focusing on assembly automation. We do anything from a standalone robot all the way up to large complex assembly lines.
It's not just about getting a project out the door for us. It's an extension of ourselves in a lot of ways. By the time the equipment leaves here, it's the best it can possibly be.
We treat each project with a standardized process. That way we can consistently build a very good quality product.
We always tell customers we're in the same boat. We have the same goal as you have. We want a high-performing machine that doesn't break so you can make money with it.
Most of our customers at Chism Automation have been around for over a decade.
Our mission is to build those partnerships up and take care of the customer, take care of the equipment so that people are happy with what we're doing. Our product isn't just what we build, it's the service you get with that and the reliability of knowing that if you do have a problem, we're going to be there for a couple of hours to support you, and we're going to make sure we do that better than anybody else.